cooking. We're gonna make us some food now. Cooking.
So it's afternoon smoko. Simon's rummaging around in the fridge looking for something to eat, and I said, look mate, I'll tell you what, you make a fire and I'll make some banana and date muffins. What do you reckon? And he goes,
hell yeah.
There you go. All right, let's get it done. So, all right, so we do that. That way you don't have to mash it up as much. So I'm actually mashing up the bananas because you need to mash them and get them all nice and soft. Older bananas that are sort of, you know, looking a bit sort of black are the best, but I don't have those because I think they get eaten long before they turn black. And then of course I got some dates. Now, it's a simple setup. I'm gonna cook it in the camp oven. Now, I went and modified one of these, which is a muffin tin. It used to be 6, now it's 4, so I could fit it in. So I just cut 2 off, whoosh, throw that away. That'll now fit in the camp oven. And also went and got a couple of these muffin wraps, just like at the coffee shop. Just, you know, trying to make Simon feel at home as much as possible. When he has his cup of coffee, he gets a nice banana muffin. Now, first of all, I'm gonna have 2 little separate bowls because I'm gonna mix a couple of different ingredients together. Let's get those ingredients. So first of all, over at the fridge here, I'm gonna need, now I haven't got milk, but I need to use up some cream, so I'm gonna use cream instead of milk. I've got some eggs. I've got a bit of butter. I might just sit that butter there so that it sort of melts a bit, because at the moment it's sitting in the fridge, it's too cold. So let's get some sugar. About that, that'll do. I'm gonna get a little bit of honey. Simon likes honey. There we go, bit of honey. Oh, a big dollop of vanilla, I like vanilla. We'll whack some cream in. Oh yeah, about that much. And then we'll stick in a couple of eggs. I'm gonna chuck 3 eggs in this mix. Okay, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Let's mix that sucker up. Yeah, so we're good. That's nicely mixed up. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna stick some flour in because you need flour when making a muffin. I think it's about 1.5 cups, not sure. We'll work that out. I'm gonna stick a little bit of coconut in. You gotta stick some coconut in, surely. Just a little bit, that'll do. We gotta get some dates, so we'll get some dates kicking. So we're gonna chop the dates up. Now you can substitute these with walnuts. Walnuts go real good, or pecan nuts. We're gonna stick that in there. Fold that in. Grab the banana, and basically you got to take that banana and you got to squeeze it in like that. And then we get another banana. You'll see my little mashing that I did, that I learned from monkeys, worked really well. So let's get our mixture in here and we're going to pour that in. Now what I'll do is I'll put about half in and then I'll mix it. All right, let's get this going over here. That's the beauty of cooking at the caravan, you know, or the little pop-up, Simon's little pop-up van. Got this awesome kitchen that you can just go and wash your hands and cook stuff on and all that sort of stuff. It's pretty good. So we'll give that a bit of a mix up now, and I'm just gonna fold him around like that, and you can see the chunkiness of the mixture. That looks really good, actually. Perfection. The last of the flour, I've got a little bit left over. I might make a few more actually, I might make more than just 4, but for now, we'll just make 4 for you guys. But Simon will want more than 1 muffin or 2 muffins, you know. He'll be like wanting them for smoko the next day and all that sort of stuff. All right, there we go. All right, now last but not least is to put some butter into the mixture. We're ready to rock and roll. So let's, now I only want to fill it to there. Otherwise we're going to have overflowing muffins. Get that sucker in there and then that one in there. We need to put them on the coals and they will muffin up real quick. Doesn't take long for muffins. So again, trivet, make sure the trivet's in there. There she is. Trivet. A good camp oven should come with a trivet. I know that one does. Let's get it over on the fire. Yeah, and then stick some on the top. All right, 30 minutes to 40 minutes, and we're gonna have some delicious muffins.
Yeah.
They're ready to go. And there we go. Delicious banana muffins. Check those out. Oh, they're nice and fat too. Look at that, we'll get them out. Simon, you want some of these muffins, mate?
You kidding, are you?
Let's have a look inside. I'll bust one open for you and put a bit of butter. What do you reckon?
Look at that. Yeah, a little bit of butter on there, mate.
Oh, a little bit of butter.
Go with my coffee.
There we go. A little bit of butter like that. A little bit over here. How good does that look, mate?
He's a good lad, isn't he?
Give that a go.
Thanks, mate. Mate. All time. Thanks, bud.
Did he even take a breath? So there you go, guys. If you want to feed the hungry, that's the way to do it. Some easy banana and date muffins.
Cooking